Hello guys, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through the process of how to check your TikTok analytics and stats. Doing that is essential because it will help you understand the impact of your content. How to check your TikTok analytics and stats. To check your TikTok analytics and stats, you need to have a business account. If you have a standard account, you won't be able to check your stats. I will show you how to switch to your account to a business account. Sorry, don't worry. Now let me show you how to switch your account to a business account. Follow the steps. Head over to your profile page. This is the profile page, guys, and click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right hand corner of the screen. This will open your settings page right here. This will open the settings page, guys, and go to manage my account, settings and privacy. Okay, tab here, settings and privacy, and need to go to manage my account, and now tab on switch to business account. Tab on switch to business account. Tab on here, guys. Please tab on here. Follow the steps and choose the type that matches your content. Alright, now tab on switch to business account and learn about your customers, access the exclusive sounds, get inspired, find out what's new. Tab on next and choose the category, guys. As I said, follow the steps, choose the type that best matches your content: art, craft, automobile, transportation, baby, beauty, craft, whatever. Which one should I use? Let's choose education and training. Tab on next. On next, and welcome to your business account. You now have more features to connect with your viewers on TikTok. You can also add a business email to your profile. Verify your email to finish the upgrade. If you can't access your email box at the moment, you can choose to use phone option to receive a text message instead. Now, guys, you upgraded your account to a pro version TikTok. On the other hand, you only begin logging into your history from now on. So the modification is already made, which means you won't be able to follow to see the statistics of your like previous activity when you had a regular account. So that means that you need to kind of like wait 7 days for the app to begin and displaying the insights. TikTok will use that time to collect data for your account. Now, guys, let me show you how you can check your TikTok analytics and stats. Go to your profile on TikTok and tab on the three horizontal lines in the upper right hand corner right here, and tab here. And now what you need to do is tab on creator tools. This is a new tab that's actually working. Creator tools, and now you'll see the analytics section, guys. The analytics section, which is amazing. Now we have analytics section. So tab to gain access, guys, to analytics and stats. Tab here. Learn about your viewers, track your video performance, and gain insights on engagement to help you learn about your viewers. Post at least one public video to view analytics. So yeah, I need to post one video so I can view my analytics. But guys, if you already have a few videos, anyway, you won't see any like analytics. You won't see your view analytics because you need to wait a few days so to get the analytics. So anyways guys, I hope this video helped you. I hope this video provided you with value. So if it did, if this video helped you guys, please do so and like this video, subscribe this YouTube channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Take care guys. See you in the next video.